Well, so what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APH Tech, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, today I'm going to unbox the MSI bag, laptop bag, which I got free with the laptop, as you have already seen the laptop video, which is the MSI laptop. So guys, let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, here we get the bag and we will open it with the help of scissors from here, and here we start opening it, and here the seal is broken. We will keep the scissors aside now, so easy unpacking, and the bag is out. We will keep the packet beside, and here's the bag. The bag looks pretty good, and let's check out the bag, the MSI gaming laptop bag. And here's a pocket for keeping our laptop in here, as you can see inside this, and we can close it like this, as you can see. And here's the whole bag, and we can take it anywhere like this, like a school bag normal. And here we get a pocket for keeping our mouse and accessories all, and this is the whole bag. And here we get a foam, and one more pocket we get here. We can keep our anything like mouse and everything we want to keep, and our cable. This was all for today's video guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and bye.